Vacuumed with this vacuum cleaner. Has dual motors, so it sucks down from the base of the carpet. Just does a better job. That way, the only thing I have to do is transfer the spots and stains onto the bonnet. So in this, I added 2 gallons of water, and then I added 2 scoops of this. This is atomic. Each scoop is half an ounce, and half an ounce makes a whole gallon. So I'll put 2 of these in there. This is encapsulant that is made out of salts instead of polymers, so you're not breathing any plastic. So it's a lot better for you than the other stuff out there. Anyway, I put a brand new bonnet underneath. I want you to see it. See how clean it is. Both sides. And then I can pre-spray this, or I can just run this and spray from here, from the front. Okay, so we'll put this on. This is a locking cord plug. Now it's locked in place, so it doesn't come out. Then you're gonna turn on, the power's right here. And it doesn't have the torque like you're used to with the floor machine. Alright. So I'm gonna show you one more thing I do, a little different from others. I lubricate the pad a little bit. That way, there's less friction. Okay, so this is the bonnet I'm gonna use. I'm gonna spray this a little bit so it's nice and slick. So when it goes on there, it's not gonna burn it or anything. That's sufficient enough. So now instead of using the pump up sprayer, I'm gonna just use the sprayer here. By the way, this is the adjustment for the height. I usually like it like right about my crotch belt line. And I turn this on and this is the spray. I'm gonna just start doing this and you guys can see what the difference is. Now that we're working hard. So, this is what the pad looks like. It used to look like this, kind of. The little other side is also pretty wet. So I'm just gonna use another bonnet. And then if I want, I can take the bonnet, put it in a bucket with water, warm water, and just rinse it out. And we're gonna try one of these. I'm gonna try this bonnet, okay? I'm gonna lubricate it first. There are the spots and stains.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.